You probably should start getting ready because this is the exact month Jasmy coin, ZBCN, XCN are going to bottom. This is the exact month, and this model has proven herself to be trustworthy in the past market cycle. As a matter of fact, this model has a 98% success rate, and this model doesn't really care about your timeline. The charts don't lie, only human lie. So in this video, we're going to briefly talk about ZBCN price update, and also briefly talk about XCN price update, Jasmy coin price update. Not to forget, we are going to be looking at this mathematics I've done already for you guys to see the month and the day the cryptocurrency, the current crypto bear market is going to come to an end. And smash the like button of this video if you haven't already. Subscribe to my channel if this is your first time. You're welcome. Don't forget to check the link in the description of this video to join our crypto elite community, and also to gain access to the cryptocurrency course. You get, yeah. So we're going to be talking about the BTC dominance, the BTC price update, and also the BTC pattern as well. I'm super excited, seriously. We are briefly going to talk about the orders chart as well against the BTC pair. As you can see, today's date is February 23rd, 2026. The cryptocurrency market fear and greed index is at its lowest since the inception of crypto, the history of crypto. We are currently at 5, indicating extreme fear. The current market sentiment is looking bad. There's blood on the street as well. And let's just talk about Jasmy real quick. Jasmy is currently trading around 0.0056. And we are now back into our entry zone. This limit order, buy limit order on the spot market is still very, very valid. And there's no cause for alarm. I'm going to tell you guys when to exit as well by the time we start moving gradually to the upside. This is XCN. XCN is trading around 0.0048 as well. We are gradually making our way. I think from the look of things, we might just end up tapping our spot market entry price around 0.0026 for XCN ONYXCOIN. And for ZBCN is currently trading around 0.0020. And we are already back to our previous spot market entry zone. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. But I still think the probability of moving to the upside is higher than probability of we invalidating this chart and continuing the dump to the downside. This BTC chart I brought to you guys' attention November last year, 2025. I told you guys the moment BTC lost the 50 exponential moving average, we were going to continue to tank to the downside, just like BTC did in 2022. It is playing out exactly how we predicted several months ago. That was November 2025. We lost the 50 exponential moving average, we tested it as resistance, and then tanked further to the downside all the way to 60k. Now this is the orders chart against the BTC pair. I believe this chart is already getting a bounce already. I told you guys last year when the quantitative tightening came to an end, December 1st, 2025. I told you guys I think the orders chart against the BTC pair is likely to bottom here after several years of being in the bear market. The orders chart against the BTC pair, as a matter of fact, altcoins in general have been in a stylish, systematic bear market since 2022. And we finally bottomed last year, December 1st, when the quantitative tightening came to an end. If you're going back in time, the last time the quantitative tightening came to an end, August 1st, 2019, we bottomed, we held above the multi-year trend line. And what happened after then? We began to systematically, gradually go up until we rallied to the upside and then retested it once again before the final massive move all the way to the 2021 bull market. So I think the 2019 playbook is likely to play out once again for altcoins. Now, this orders chart is the ratio crypto total market cap excluding the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space and also excluding BTC. So I think it is likely to follow this projection I drew. Fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. Now, for this BTC model that has played out exactly almost in the entire crypto market, bear market, almost in the entire BTC bear market and bull market. Now, if you're paying attention, between 2014 and also early 2015, January 2015 to be precise, bear market, we bottomed at exactly 373 days after the top. of the bull market in 2013. Now, after we bottomed, what happened? We rallied from there all the way to 2017 top, and it took BTC 1,066 days. Remember, the bear market before the bull market that took 1,066 days took BTC 373 days. Now, if you're going back, if you're moving forward, you would notice after that top in 2017, we bottomed in 2018. It took BTC 363 days to bottom. And after that bottom happened, it took BTC 1,068 days to top again in 2021. Now, I think you guys need to carefully pay attention to the pattern. It is usually 1,060 something days. It usually takes BTC 1,060 something days to top, for the bull market to top. And it usually takes the BTC market over 360 days to bottom. Pay attention to the pattern. The last bear market we had, which was in 2022, topped in November 2021 and then bottomed in 2022. It took BTC 364 days to bottom after topping in 2021 November. 364 days. Now, if you're paying attention to the current top we just topped, it took BTC 1,066 days to top after bottoming in 2022. It took BTC 1,066 days to peak to top. Now, if you're going back, it is usually 1,060 something days. 1,060 something days. I'm looking forward to the month of between September and first week of October for the market to bottom. Fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. So if that happens, if it's bottoming between late September and early October, then it's likely to take BTC again 362 days. We are left with around 220 days for BTC to bottom. Like seriously. And if that is happening, I believe the orders chart is going to explode this time around to the upside. But before then, I think BTC is likely to get a relief rally to the upside, a relief pump to the upside to 70-something, 80-something K before further drop to the downside. Altcoins are already outperforming BTC, which is also signaling that the moment BTC gets that small pump to the upside, then our altcoin bag is going to rally harder than BTC. If you're also paying attention to the BTC dominance, we are already prime and ready for a massive drop to the downside. The moment this drop begins, it is going to send our altcoin bag to the moon. The market is likely to temporary bottom ending between February ending and early March. We are likely to temporarily bottom within that window and then begin to gradually move to the upside. It is not going to happen on a straight line. The pump is not going to be on a straight line. It's going to take a lot of people by surprise. So the temporary bottom for now is going to be between late February 2026 and early March. The moment we bottom, it is going to be up only from there all the way until we top again towards August, September ending, and then bottom late September 2026. So the time frame between September and October is this period I'm looking forward to a potential bottom for the entire cryptocurrency bear market. If you're paying attention to this chart on the weekly time frame, this is the BTC chart. When we topped in 2021, BTC dumped minus 52% before pumping, getting a relief rally, and then dumping further all the way to 16K. Now, I think history is repeating herself before our very eye. BTC topped October last year, and ever since then, we've dumped minus 52% as well. And if you're paying attention to the RSI is matching the same energy we had in 2022 bear market. The same energy, the same pattern is repeating itself before our very eye. So I think we are likely to get a relief pump very, very soon, before maybe to around 80-something K before a further drop to the downside. I'm expecting the bottom to happen between 55k and 45k. Between 55k and 45k is where BTC is going to bottom. That is just it. So yeah, that's that for that. If you're here to like this video, smash the like button, destroy the like button. We are left at 220 days before the market bottoms. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. Like this video if you haven't already. Subscribe. Peace out.